Today, we will learn how to create typewriter effect to text in Premiere Pro. First of all, we have taken a background clip here. And here we have taken the typewriter sound effect and also selected its beats with a marker. Now first select the marker and take the type tool and make a box. Go to the Effects Control panel and change the font style and apply the special Elite font and make other changes as per your wish. Keep the toggle animation of the source text on. Now wherever there are markers, type a letter there. And now, it's ready. If you are not getting in English, no problem. GraphiX Studios is now available in Hindi language also. Subscribe to the GraphiX Studios Hindi YouTube channel to understand these videos in your language.